Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to access your documents on Etoro and how to reach your account statement. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPhone 13. So let's jump into it. First you have to open the Etoro app and then go to the settings menu. And in the settings you have to scroll down all the way to the bottom of the list and tap on the settings. And here go to account, and in the account menu you will see the documents menu point and account statement, and if you tap on the view you will see all your statements month by month. You can choose the month and reach your account statements here, as you can see, and you can also download it in PDF and print it if you need this for your business accounting or any kind of purpose. You can reach all the documents here in this menu on Etoro. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.